Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video is entitled Why Who is Watching is More Important Than How Many Are Watching. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, if you've not subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the notifications, they're very important. Some explanation and context. For business channels, you may get sucked into the sort of vanity metrics of comparing your channel versus some big channels on YouTube, and you'll know there are channels with millions of subscribers and millions of views every day. And that's very good for them, and they may be in a completely different niche. They may be in the entertainment sector rather than a business sector or an educational sector where you might find yourself. And that's why I want to take this video just to explain to you that it's more important you consider who is watching. If you're using your YouTube channel to grow the profile of your business, to get more leads and customers, leads and prospects, then it's more important that the right people are watching rather than how many people are watching. You could have millions of people that are totally irrelevant for your business. It's not going to do anything for your business. It will, boost your views on YouTube, but it won't boost your revenues coming into the business. And let's make a comparison. For many YouTube channels, the amounts made via AdSense, they can be for a lot of YouTube channels will be quite small, significant, maybe a few thousand here. But for a business, a new lead or prospect, depending on which sector you're in, that could equate to hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars. A new client could mean millions of dollars. So millions of dollars is much bigger, obviously, than a few thousand here and there from AdSense on YouTube. So focus on being very specific with your messages and targeting your niche and trying to be of value to your prospects and customers. And traditionally in marketing, what people do is create a profile of your ideal customer. In some sectors this is called an avatar. So you create a customer avatar or profile, and then you speak to them. So speak to them through your videos. If you know from your research and your work the kind of problems they're facing, make videos that help them address those problems and solve those problems. And in that way, you'll be getting the right people to watch. You can use video SEO also to make sure that the right people who are searching for the problems that you're able to solve through the services you provide are finding your videos. That's key. Have the right people watching your videos. When you do that, you'll find that the results can be amazing. You might have a video with only a few hundred, a few thousand views, and yet you are getting new customers, and these customers are worth money, quite a significant amount of money each month on a retainer basis, or for a large project that might last a year. So it's very important that you consider who's watching rather than how many are watching. On YouTube, it's very much a numbers game. People are concerned about how many likes, how many shares, how many views. But I want you to think about your business perspective and the fact that you need the right people watching, the right people viewing. I've got quite a few examples of clients that have come to me directly as a result of watching one of my videos on YouTube. So I create a video, I edit it, upload it, etc. And then my work is done on that video. And yet that video keeps working to generate leads and prospects on an ongoing basis. As long as it's uploaded to YouTube and it's publicly accessible, it still can generate leads for me. So that's the mindset you must have when you're creating videos for your YouTube channel. And this is taking a qualitative approach rather than a quantitative. You're not concerned, and don't concern yourself with the total amount of views. Concern yourself with the type of people who are viewing your videos and commenting. And then if you have the same kind of marketing funnel as myself, you'll notice that people start to message you on LinkedIn in response to your videos. Oh, Mike, I watched this video. Can you help us with this kind of task? Mike, I watched the video when you talked about X, Y, and Z. Can you help us with X, Y, and Z? This is very much what's happened, and it's been my experience in the years that I've been on YouTube. It was when this started happening that I doubled down on my YouTube activity and became more serious about it. For the first few years on YouTube, I wasn't serious about uploading to YouTube. I just upload testimonials from clients and I'd leave it like that. I needed someone somewhere to host those videos. And I didn't think that YouTube could be such a profitable lead generator for my business, but it has proven to be so. So that's the message I want to get across to you. It's not how many people watch, it's who's watching your videos, and then what happens after that. You need to give them the calls to action within the video, so they email you or call you or set up a Zoom consultation, and then you can start to work with them on an ongoing basis. And as I said earlier in this video, retainers from clients or large project fees are usually higher than the money that you can earn from AdSense, unless you're a huge channel. I hope this video has been useful to you. It's only a short video. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed already, thanks. Bye-bye.